Hello there, my name's Mindy Lee and welcome to this Blyth online art class session. Today we're going to do a really fun blind drawing exercise, and this is a really good way to just not worry about what your drawing looks like at all. You get a nice surprise at the end and you'll be quite surprised, I think, at how, even though it's going to really distort because it's a blind drawing, how you still get the essence of what you're drawing. So I've not done this for a few decades and I've not done any practice, so you're going to get a really good idea of what it's like just to try it completely new. All you need is a pencil. I'm using a graphite stick just for a change. Something to draw. I've got my clarinet and I'm a peeker, so I have a blindfold as well. If you think you can do it without looking, you don't need to wear a blindfold, but I'm going to wear one because I know I'm a cheater at this. I love looking at what I'm drawing. I've also got a big piece of paper, so I can't feel the edges again. That's another cheater trick. And then I'm just going to have a go, imagining that my fingers are an ant kind of running across the instrument, and see what I can find. Now I've picked quite a complicated thing for myself to make it a bit harder for me, but you could pick a simple object. Objects with different textures are good as well, and this will also help you become more sensitive about how you touch the page, because what you can't see, you'll concentrate more on touch. If you want to look at another artist's work who works like this, Claude Heath is a really good example of using blind drawing. Anyway, let's get on and see what I can feel. Right, I might do it parallel. Might be a little bit tricky for me to talk as well as do this. Let's see. So I've not played my clarinet for a while. I'm trying my best not to name what I can feel. So my brain is going, oh, that's that key for that finger. But where I can, I'm trying to not worry about that. Just think about it like I'm an alien and I've never encountered this object before. And you can go backwards and forwards, to and from, inside and outside, round and round, whatever works, however you feel like drawing. There's no right and wrong. Don't peek. So already I can feel the, I'm starting to make a few differences with the amount of pressure and the speed at which I'm applying my pencil. I'm starting to get more sensitive to the surface of both what I'm touching with my hand and what I'm touching as my drawing surface. It's quite a nice introduction to haptic vision, so like drawing what you would feel rather than just the aesthetic, what your eye kind of bounces back in the light. Haptic vision. Yeah. And then the longer you do it, the more mad your drawing's going to get, because I'm going backwards and forwards. You could just go once round if you wanted. See what happens. Okay, I'm trying to look, so I'm going to peek now. I'm going to stop. Oh, it's quite nice. Cool. So, yeah, it's pretty much to scale as well, interestingly. And it's got that feel, I think, of the clarinet. I've got the bell at the bottom. That's come out quite nicely observed as well. Observed, quite nicely felt. And then you've got all the flickering of all the keys. Yeah, it's just really fun and a nice surprise and a really good way to loosen up and not worry about where your drawing's becoming distorted or strange. I think that's a very nice rendering of the clarinet. Okay, I hope you give it a go, and if you want to share what you make on Instagram, we're at Blyth_arts. Thank you very much. Hope you've enjoyed it. Bye.